Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, I want to try this foundation out. Everybody and their mother done tried it out except me. I didn't want to try it out before because I was trying out so many other foundations. However, I was in the beauty supply store and I was picking up some wig caps and said, you know what, Kelly, go ahead and try it. This foundation was like $7. It could have been maybe $6, but it was very, very affordable. And normally I stray away from foundations that have a luminous finish due to the fact, even though I'm normal to dry, I can wear this type of foundation. However, my oils do produce through the course of the day, and then I'll wind up blotting. And you know, you don't want to blot. Even us normal to dry girls, we like to have a nice semi-matte look. We don't have to look too matte because we're not combination to oily, but we do like, I know for me, I can't speak for everybody, but I know for me, it's maybe several of you, rather a semi-matte finish. So you know, through the course of the day, your oils can definitely work. So again, I picked this up. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. See, Pro Concealer, Pro Coverage, High Definition, Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I got mine in Toast. There are several other shades after this one, but they had testers in the beauty supply store. I was freaking shocked and I was happy. But the rest of them seemed a little bit too red, a little bit too orange, then it was a little bit too deep for me. So I went with Toast, and I hope this worked because I watched a couple of videos with who the ladies that use Toast, and they were a little bit lighter than me. So I hope this is a foundation that kind of is in the middle for a couple of shades, a little dark, a little lighter. I hope, I pray, because others are too red. Then I picked up, I did open it, I did try it on my hand to kind of see what it would look like. It looks good on the hand, but you know, it has to oxidize and do its thing. And I did pick up the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I said, you know what, this was super affordable. This was $4.99. This was $5. So I said, you know what, Kelly, pick it up. Then I picked up, I went on the LA Girl run, right? I picked up the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You know, I love this. Which one I use? I use Fawn. But I picked up Toffee. A lot of ladies use Toffee. So you know what? I said, you know what? Let's try it out. I will say, these products came wrapped to the gills. They were wrapped so good. It took me forever to get this open. I'm so happy I opened it up before I did this video because I would have been in a pickle. These are not too bad, but I don't know. Let's get into the primer. So this primer is a smoothing primer. I will safely assume, okay, I don't have to assume. It helps smooth and fill out fine lines and pores. You know, for ladies who have a little open areas there, they'll take care of that. Paraben and fragrance free, and is enriched with vitamin E. And vitamin E is really, really good for the skin. So let's get into it. I mean, everything is on this particular primer. I will say, I'm just gonna pull it down just so we can get into it. So I squeezed out a tad bit, nothing too much. First off the back, I will say is a nice thick consistency. It's not it feels that nice smooth silicone base. It's not runny. It feels good. So the areas I like to focus on when I'm wearing a primer is like on the cheekbones, under the eye, smile lines, chin, and right here in the forehead. So pretty much the T-zone. You know how that goes. I don't have any open pores, so I cannot give you any feedback on that, but I will say it feels really, really smooth. So we're going to see how the foundation goes on. So I'm going to jump into the foundation. I'm going to do, one pump. It's a little runny. Use a Real Technique sponge. We're going to start over here. Okay, that looks a little light, right guys? Just a tad bit light. But we're going to keep on going. It has a scent to it. I smell something. I like the coverage. I like how it's illuminating. I can definitely see that. It's very illuminating. I do see a difference between my actual face and my neck. I do like the coverage. Only thing I'll be scared of is if this foundation will use another pump. if it will slide. Okay, so I have one half of my face done, and you can see the difference. You can see how it smooths it out. However, there is a difference in the my skin tone. I'm not sure this is a good match for me, and I didn't want to go for the next one because it seemed so red. And you know me, when you have a red foundation, it oxidizes, and I didn't want that to oxidize, and it just looked orange. So let's just see. I'm gonna finish putting the foundation on, and we're gonna come back. Okay, ladies. The foundation is on. I am not feeling this foundation at all. Not. I feel like it's making me look really, really greasy. I will have to set this particular foundation. However, we're going to keep on going because we're going to see how it looks once I finish. Because I don't want to speak too soon, but for right now, I am not feeling this foundation. I'm going to go in with the concealer. And I'm going to use this. So the concealer is on. I do like the concealer. However, I just feel like I have so much stuff on my face. I'm not used to a foundation like this. It just feels really, really heavy. I really feel it. And that's just that. I feel it. I do like this particular concealer. I can see myself switching up between this one and the Fawn. But once this is finished, I probably won't repurchase it again. I'm going to stick with my Fawn. Something about this shade I do like. I like the Fawn. But we got to try things out to see what we like, what we don't like. I'm going to go ahead and set underneath my eye. And then I'm going to set the actual foundation and kind of tone it down a little bit. Because I do feel like I would need a mattifying primer underneath this particular foundation. I just feel like an oil spill. Okay, ladies. This is the final look. First off, let me say, the finished product looks really, really good. But going in with this particular foundation, it was definitely a struggle. I'm not used to such a luminous. I mean, I've tried 2 luminous foundations before and I didn't care for them. But I felt like maybe this wasn't going to be too luminous because this was, you know, really, really, I don't know what I thought. I don't know. Let me not even lie. I just know it was a struggle. However, it did come out nice. It did turn out good. I do like the finished look. But this is a foundation that I would probably have to wear in the winter. So I will hold on to this and I'm going to come back to this in the winter because I cannot see myself wearing this in these warmer months that we have here now, because especially here, I live in North Carolina. So the heat here is unreal. So you can't have on weave and wigs and plus foundation. You'll be roasting. You just can't do it. You just can't do it. But however, the foundation, the jury is still out on it. I want to come and show you. I want to give you my opinion on the actual foundation, what my thoughts were. And I don't know, guys. I don't know. I will have to wear it. I'm going to wear this out. I'm going to do a couple videos, of course, and see how the lights take it. And now let me know. If it starts separating with the lights, then I know it's not going to be a good go for me. But however, I'm going to see how it works once I hit the street and see how the weather hits it. So I'll give you an update on it down the line in the future, but not nothing, you know, too recent. Not unless I just want to put it on. Because I feel like I got sweat bubbles forming already. I feel it. I don't know. But however, it's still pretty. I like the outcome. So that's good. I'm looking in the mirror over here because I'm just trying to figure out, God, like, whew. But yeah, it looks like a nice natural finish. Maybe. I don't feel like it feels heavy, but it doesn't look heavy. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I don't know. So, hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll catch you in my next video. And all the links to every product that I use will be listed down below in the description box. So you could take a look, take a peek, and things like that. And again, I have what I put in on my eyebrows. Okay? Bye.